What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's Big Mike with BZ Cooks, and today we're going to be making blackened salmon with garlic lime asparagus. This is one of my favorite dishes to make, and I love blackened seafood. And if you do too, guys, I'm going to show you exactly how to make it. Let's get right to the cook.
I want to shout out you. Yes, you, my subscriber.
Guys, whew, it is hot out here, man. For science. For science. For science. Alright guys, so as I said before, we're going to be making blackened salmon today. Got my glove on, so we're going to start seasoning our salmon up. I got this from my neighborhood Costco. This is some good salmon with good fat content on it. And it's going to be perfect for making blackened fish. All right, so I've got a little bit of olive oil. We're just going to drizzle that some on our fish. And we're going to do this on both sides. Now I am doing this so that my seasoning will stick to it. So make sure you coat your salmon with olive oil. Not a whole lot, okay? You don't want to make it on there like you're going to be deep frying it. We're not deep frying in olive oil today. I crack myself up sometimes. We're just gonna be seasoning it, okay? So, get that out the way. We got our Paul Prudhomme's blackened seasoning, blackened redfish magic. I love this seasoning, it's really good for blackening fish. So let's start with the bottom side first. Just gonna sprinkle that on there. Super easy to make. All right, easy peasy, lemon squeezy, guys. All right, we're gonna set that to the side and let's start cooking. All right, guys, we got a smoking hot skillet right here. Just want to get some butter going. Now the key to blackening fish, shrimp, chicken, anything of that nature, you want to make sure that your skillet is piping hot. Now we're going to go on each side because this fish is a little on the thick side. We're going to cook it for probably maybe 3.5 minutes, and then we're going to flip it over. Okay, it's been about 3 minutes. Go ahead and flip this over. This piece is really difficult right here. Now I'm looking at this, and right here, this is really the look we want. So I'm gonna let it cook on this side a little bit longer. I'm not gonna flip that one yet. I'm gonna wait just a little bit longer to flip that one. That's what we want it to look like. This is what we want to achieve. Nice blackened fish. Alright guys, so I've got some asparagus here. As you can see, it's not the very thick ones, but these will do. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to trim these almost down to about that size. One way to know where to cut asparagus is if you bend it, wherever it snaps. Pretty much is where you want to cut them. So I could take each one individually and just snap them like that. I could take a bunch like this, just hold it, and they'll just snap where they're supposed to. Or you can take a knife after you've snapped one, pretty much line them up and cut it like so. All right guys, we got our skillet. It is warming up, and we're going to just take some butter and olive oil. Okay, mix that around there. We got about half an onion diced. And some garlic. About a tablespoon of minced garlic. All right, I've rinsed off my asparagus. And we're just gonna start to cook these down until they get tender. It typically takes about, who knows, maybe 5 minutes. It could take less, 5 or 6 minutes maybe. Notice I did not need to add any salt or pepper. If you would like to, you can. But this really doesn't need it. It's gonna be packed with flavor. You got the garlic, the onions, the olive oil, the butter. Really doesn't need it. All right. And I'm going to take a lime. And while the asparagus is still hot, we're going to squeeze that over that. You guys got to try this at home. You got to try it. Trust me when I tell you. One more. All right, guys. Turn our fire on, and we are done. Well, there you have it, guys. Super, super easy to make. I really had to work hard to stretch this video out. So, check this out. We've got that blackened salmon with our asparagus. Delicious. Let's give it a try, guys. All in the name of science. We got to do this for science today. Salmon first. So got that nice crust on the outside, nice and flaky on the inside. Let's give this asparagus a try. Okay, so let me tell you this about this asparagus, is that that lime, man, you have to try this at home. That lime takes this asparagus to another level. Now, for those of you who think this might be too bland, the olive oil, the butter, the garlic and the onions is enough seasoning as it is. You may want to sprinkle a little bit of salt and pepper on this if you want to, but it's not necessary, guys. This is packed full of flavor. Your family's gonna love it, I guarantee you guys. So let me give this another try. This is phenomenal, man. Oh my goodness. I never cease to amaze myself. Hey, if you liked the video, smash that like button, guys. Hit that subscribe button, share the video, and leave a comment below. I would love to hear how you like your salmon. What's your preferred way of preparing it? Also with the asparagus, there's more than one way to skin a cat, and there's more than one way to make asparagus. To see more recipes, guys, click up here, and to subscribe, click the circle down here, guys. Appreciate you for coming by. With that being said, this is Big Mike signing out. Until next time, peace.